I'm going to show how to install a handheld shower head. This is the Oxygenics PowerSelect Model 89446. I purchased this one at a local Menards. It comes with instructions on the packaging as well as more detailed instructions inside. When unboxing, you will find the following items: a 60-inch hose, a shower head holder, and a handheld shower head. Set aside and begin removing the existing shower head. This is seen in step 1. Here is the shower head I will be removing. Channel locks and a crescent wrench was needed to remove this shower head. Use a rag to protect the finish when applying tools. Secure the shower arm using the channel lock pliers. Then use the crescent wrench in this manner to loosen the shower head. You can now unthread the shower head the rest of the way by hand. Now remove any residual plumber's tape from the threads in this manner. I find the point of a knife is useful when cleaning the threads. The new shower head can now be installed as seen in step 2. With plumber's tape, also called Teflon tape, make a few wraps over the threads. Next, screw on the shower head holder as seen in step 3. Note that the holder should be hand tightened only when threading it onto the arm. Make sure you do not over tighten. You do not want to ruin the threads. The warning sticker can now be removed from the holder by simply peeling it off. Now take the hose and remove the protective sticker from the end. This sticker protects the inner gasket. Then thread onto the holder in this manner, making sure to hand tighten only. And finally, step 4. Attach the hose to the shower head and place in the holder. On the other end of the hose, remove the protective sticker and note the inner gasket. Then thread the hose onto the handheld shower head, making sure to hand tighten only. The shower head can now be seated in the holder and is ready to use.